Lunch boxes. It's kind of a dilemma. You want your children to eat everything. You don't want a bunch of those little Ziplocs that you're then just going to throw away. What do? You find fun boxes that can fit everything, all in a neat container like that. It's colorful, it's great, your kids are going to love it, and everything has a place. Come home, wash it, good to go the next day. No plastic bags wasted. Great ones for boys too, that aren't just the regular standard colors. I think that this camo is pretty fabulous for a guy. And one of the great things about these Bentgo boxes is they fit perfectly into this lunch pack. A strap to go over their shoulder, and they're good to go.